Hello everyone, Paul Huber for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping in. We would like to extend a welcome to all of our pre-owned SUV shoppers. We hope this video is helpful in the search for your next SUV. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Murano Platinum. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and it has just 12,000 miles. It is well equipped, as you can see, with those front fog lamps, alloy wheels, roof rails, and more. Now, as we take a look inside, we see that it has a panoramic moonroof with a fantastic interior that features black leather throughout with heated and cooled front bucket seats and plenty of room for 3 passengers in back. The front seats are cooled and heated, and the second row seats are heated as well. Now, as we look up front, we see that this vehicle has a Bose premium audio system, but it also has other features such as SiriusXM radio, plus it has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Other features include steering wheel mounted audio controls, plus it has push button start and remote start, as well as steering wheel mounted audio controls, heated steering wheel, and blind spot monitoring. It also has GPS navigation and backup camera featuring the around view system. So if you're looking for a great vehicle at a great price with all the amenities, just give us a call at 615-224-8314 today and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs. After all, we are the home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get pre-approved for your vehicle. Just text the word COOL to 96300 to get started.